Hello friends, welcome to Cat Cafe. In this video, we are going to see how to design piston head of 4-cylinder inline engine using SolidWorks. In the previous video, we have seen that how to design a connecting rod cap of 4-cylinder inline engine using SolidWorks. Now for designing a piston head, let's open a new part. You can see the dimensions. This length is 90 mm and the inner length is of 85 mm, and the radius of this circle is 42.5, and this length is 76 mm. First select top plane, sketch, select circle and draw a circle of radius 42.5. Okay, and select features, extruded boss or base, and we need to extrude this up to 90 mm. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, select circle, and at this point draw a circle of radius 76 by 2. Okay, and select features, extruded cut. We need to cut this section up to 85 mm. Okay, now we are going to make this 3 cuts. So for that, the inner diameter is 79 mm and the length of one single cut is 4.3 mm, and the distance between the two adjacent cut is 7.3 mm. For that, select this face, sketch, select circle, and draw a circle of radius 79 by 2. Okay, and select features, extruded cut, and here select offset and make offset distance of 7.3, and we need to flip the direction, and here make this distance of 4.3 mm and select flip side to cut. Okay, see, we have made the one cut, and just select view temporary axis and select linear pattern. Select the temporary axis as direction 1 and make this distance of 7.3 plus 4.3. Okay, instance 3, and from here select features and select cut extrude 3 and select OK. See, it's done. Now select insert, features, dome, and select this face and make this of 5 mm. Sorry, 5 mm. Okay, and dome is ready. And now we need to make this cut. This length is of 50 mm and this is of radius 10, and this radius is 40 mm and this length is 12 mm. First select right plane, sketch, and select corner rectangle. Okay, and select smart dimension. This length is 50 mm. This length is 12 mm. And it should be 25. So it will become center. and select 3-point arc. Select this point, and click here and give the radius as 40 mm. Okay. Now trim entities, don't need this, and select fillet. Entities to fillet, select this edge and this one. Okay. See, we got this shape. Okay. And select features, extruded cut, and from here select through all both. Okay. And see, the cut is done. You can see this. The inner diameter of this circle is 33.8 and the outer diameter of this section is 45 mm, and these two features is 38 mm apart. So select front plane, sketch, select circle, and in this line draw a circle of radius 33.8 by 2. Okay, and you can see the center point from this bottom line is 27 mm. So select smart dimension, select this point, and this point should be 27. Okay, and select features, extruded cut, and select through all both. Okay, and again select front plane, sketch, select circle. At this point draw a circle of radius 45 by 2. Okay, and just click convert entities and select this circle. Okay, now you can see circle is appeared here. Select features, extruded boss, and from here select offset and give the offset distance as 38 by 2. And from here select up to next, click OK. You can see this is done, and select mirror face. From here select front plane and features to mirror this one. Okay, see, our piston head is created. Now we need to apply the material. For that select material from design tree and right click on that. You can see edit material. From this material window select aluminum alloys. From this select 4032 D6 and apply and close it. See, the material is applied successfully. Now we need to save this and rename it as piston head. Now the piston head is ready. I will post the next part of this series in the next video. Subscribe Cat Cafe for more updates, and thanks for watching.